I'm Aaron.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome back to the studio. I have a package present box that needs unboxing from Anchor, Soundcore Audio, if you will. And they asked us specifically to open this on camera for you because they said there's a surprise in there.
We weren't allowed to look.
We don't know what it is. It's a surprise, and we're gonna open it with the dangerous unboxing knife. And they said they wanted our reaction on camera. Hopefully it's not because there's anthrax in it. That would be up.
That would be horrible.
Am I opening it up
anthrax
wrong? Am I opening it up wrong?
It would be anthrax. Anchor. Yeah, I forced that in there.
That's probably bad.
That is a big box.
This is a big box.
So I'm used to Anchor making power banks. I have a huge power bank.
They are known for their power banks. They make a ton of stuff, including Soundcore. Eufy or Eufy or something is a new product line that they have that's making its way into Best Buy. You've got your smart locks, your smart doorbells, your security systems. So they are really breaking into home security automation. And they said they want us to open it up and they want us to catch our surprise on camera. So we have a camera and we have our surprise. What we got? Oh!
It's my daughter. This is her favorite part, the bubble wrap.
Okay, all right. Well, let's get this. All right.
That is the nicest Anchor box I've ever seen.
That's pretty cool. They got like some sort of writing or something on the side there. You see that? It's like some weird stuff.
Typing, crying, siren, honking, screeching. That's weird.
Open to discover space.
Always distracted by noise? Question mark.
I'm feeling like this might have something to do with noise cancellation headphones, maybe? Ooh, okay, it's a special box.
Soundcore.
All right, Kevin, you do it. Pull it up. Pull the tab up. Woo! Look at that. Enjoy. Every journey sounds good. Look at what they're doing. Soundcore, you stepped it up. Look at this. This is phenomenal. Look how awesome this looks, Soundcore. Good job, guys. What's next?
I think you go with from the front. Yep, right there. Lift that flap.
Okay. Oh, okay. We got an unboxing next.
Yep.
Ooh. Oh.
You got two.
Oh my. Soundcore, you have outdone yourself. Look at this. Look at this.
That is presentation.
Let's just a round of applause for Soundcore and supporting small creators all over the world. Wow. Because they're in another country and they support us here like we're right in their backyard, and this is absolutely amazing. Let's see what we got here. I'm going for the cool thing first. This, I don't know what it is, but I want it.
It looks like you write your notes in there.
It looks like a little notepad.
Yeah, just a notepad.
So they gave us a little notepad maybe for our ideas for our next video. Maybe.
While you're sitting quiet in your room with your noise canceling headphones, coming up with
journaling.
YouTube ideas.
YouTube ideas, changing the world. This is what it's for. So we've got,
Yeah, little earbuds. Oh, so they're just trying to take those and miniaturize them.
Well, I mean, these. Whew. This looks phenomenal. Look at this. Noise cancellation, playtime extended.
Oh, so they're wireless.
Active noise cancellation, 50 hours of playtime.
This one has 50 hours with the charging case. So if you put them in the case, you got an extra 50, but 10-hour playtime.
Wow, this has got all sorts of stuff. We've got adaptive noise cancellation, 50 hours of playtime, high-res double-layer diagram drivers. I don't know what that is.
Diaphragm.
I know I need it. Diaphragm? Diaphragm, not diagram. AI calls versus 2 mics. So you've got 2 different mics. Noise cancellation, 98%. Customizable transparency mode. We don't know what that is, but we know that
it looks like this one has about half of those. You get adaptive noise cancellation, 10-hour playtime, 50 with the charging case, high-res sound via double-layer diaphragm drivers. That is a mouthful.
Diaphragm driver. Okay. So are we going to load it up and try them out and see how they sound?
All right.
All right. Let's go ahead and do it.
Right there. Boom. Boom. Wow.
Ta-da!
That's a nice case. That's solid.
Soundcore.
Solid. Awesome case. Looks like they use a USB-C.
Mm-hmm.
And they're even partially charged. It looks like I'm about to put contacts in.
It does a little bit. So let me go ahead ahead and open this up and we'll see what this guy looks like inside.
Oh, there's still more in here. Oh, there goes the cord. So you got a charger. And what is this? Oh, all right. So you want to replace your earbuds.
So you can try out your earbuds. That's always good because I commonly say no two ears are created equal.
That they aren't.
Because my ears are all jacked up that I have the hardest time with earbuds. So for me, these over the ears, I'm super excited to be able to test out and share with you. Maybe you can take the earbuds and test those out. Maybe compare them to the other earbuds.
Oh, okay.
That are over there, which we won't talk about in this video.
No. This is only Soundcore.
This is Soundcore, so here we go. So we're gonna test some earbuds up against each other. These things are nice. So we've got this, and then all of the goodies are probably in here. This super solid case. This is giving me M3, M4, M5 vibes from the Sony. Wow, it's like.
Is it another USB-C?
Not USB-C. Yep. There we go. Oh wow!
Oh, they give you the option to jack in too, so you have the optional headphone jack.
Yeah, which a lot of places don't have that.
No, so yeah, they give you the USB and the optional jack to go ahead and use with your older stuff. Oh, and the charging on the other one, USB-C. I think they're pretty much all going standard USB-C nowadays.
I hope so. That makes the world so much easier. If only Apple would jump on board with USB-C on everything, the world would be a much better place. So let's take a moment and look at this form. So this is definitely unique where it's layering on top there.
It felt soft. It really
Whereas
was.
like other headphones are just uniform. So this is...
I like the cushioning. It's nice.
Yeah, it feels crazy soft. So you want to power those on and listen to them and see how they sound really quick?
Oh, they're magnetic. Okay.
Ooh.
So if you're having trouble playing, watch this. Oh, it's not yet.
It's like magic.
Oh, here we go.
There you go. Came right up.
So it's going to come up as Soundcore Space A40.
There we go. A40. Bingo. A40.
It's in.
Bingo.
That was quick. There wasn't even a password, nothing.
Easy peasy.
These are small. I kind of feel like a secret agent with this.
Try some music, see what it sounds like.
Wow. So I'm used to just the regular iPhone, the plug-in jack. I've got a few cheap Bluetooth one. This has bass to it. I can hear it. It's actually making and it's all inside my head.
And you only have one earbud.
I have one in right now too.
Put both in and see what it sounds like.
Surround sound. Oh wow. That's in there.
Well, dude, call me. Let's see how it sounds, how the clarity is.
I can hear you. Wow. It's pretty solid. I can't hear anything outside of the headphones.
The noise cancellation.
I can't hear anything you're saying. Absolutely nothing.
Okay. Do you know how to turn it off?
Still nothing.
Nothing. Okay.
I see your lips moving, but I don't see anything you're saying.
Okay, wow. So it's working. So maybe I'll try these out and I'll be just as excited.
It's completely soundproof. Wow. I'm impressed.
I'm gonna turn these on and see what we got.
Oh my god. I've never had soundproof headphones that were this size. That's amazing. I'm thoroughly impressed. Oh my god. Like genuinely.
Soundcore Space Q45s, here we come.
That's impressive.
Pairing right up, all right. So these actually have a active noise cancellation button on them. So you can turn them on, you can turn it off. They've got the little Soundcore logo. It's looking good. I have transparency mode on. Now talk to me.
Can you hear anything I'm saying?
I can hear you. I'm gonna turn it off.
Okay, yeah. Now can you hear anything?
Normal.
Can you hear anything I'm saying?
You're muffled.
I'm muffled. So there's even a louder setting for this?
Muffled.
Now?
No. Oh, noise canceling.
Can you hear anything I'm saying at this
point? A little bit.
It's
like, it's not much. Nothing at all. Yeah, the noise is, you've got three modes. You got your transparency, your muffle, it's literally called muffle, and then you have your active noise cancellation. Wow. So now I'm gonna just throw some music on just to hear what it sounds like really quick.
That's when it really impressed me. I mean, I was just like, holy, it totally immersive. Can you hear me? Anything I'm saying at this point?
We gotta listen to Beyonce.
How's the quality? You good? I don't think he hears me. I think they're working.
Can't hear anything. Can't hear you.
They work. It's sold. Like
Can't hear you. Can't hear you. Can't hear you.
If anybody's talking to you with those headphones on, you're not going to be able to hear.
looks good, sounds good, active noise cancellation, amazing box presentation,
10 hours battery life for something
10
this small.
hours,
10 hours.
50 hours playback time. Whoa, amazing. Soundcore, big thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, give us the goodness. Jump down to the description, follow the link, make your purchases, support the channel. Hashtag for the love of tech. Till next time, namaste.